Hi, my name is Talha. I'm a tutor at Merit Tutors and I teach A-level maths and science. I'm here with my student Taosif, and can you share a bit about yourself?
Yeah, I'm Taosif and I'm here at Merit to do physics and maths A-level.
How did you discover Merit Tutors?
I looked online and there were excellent reviews on it, almost 4.5 we can say, and I've heard that it's really good, so I wanted to try the tuition center.
Could you describe your experience with Merit Tutor so far?
So far it has been excellent thanks to Sir Talha, and obviously he helped me out a lot. I've been stuck a lot with my A-level subjects, and when I had difficulties I asked Sir Talha to help me out, and he always found out a way to help me out.
What are your thoughts on the teachers at Merit Tutors?
They're perfect. They're really good, and so far no issues with them. In my previous tuition center, I had quite a few issues, but in this tuition center, I had no issues.
How would you describe the teaching methods?
It has been perfect. I think. I mean, they've been giving out me lots of questions, like exam questions, and yeah, they're really good. They're really good questions to practice with.
Okay. Can you comment on the behaviour of both teachers and staff at Merit Tutors?
Yeah, I think it's really good. They always treated me well, and that pushed me more to learn more.
What do you think about the facilities provided by Merit Tutors?
They're really good, and I love them.
Okay. So, would you recommend Merit Tutors to your friends and family in the future?
Yes, of course, yeah.
Okay. And do you have any suggestions from your side in order to improve the service that's provided?
Not really. For now, everything looks good, in my opinion.